Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're ranking the top 3 portable washing machines you should consider for apartments, dorms, tiny homes, or RVs. We're going deep into the strengths, trade-offs, and real-world use cases. Our top pick is now COSTWAY, followed by Giantex 17.6 pounds, and then Orozcor. Let's roll. Now, taking the number 1 spot is COSTWAY. Their line of portable washers includes full automatic and semi-automatic models with features, customer backing, and broad availability that push them ahead of the competition. Pros: fully automatic options. COSTWAY offers models that handle the entire process, fill, wash, spin, and drain, with minimal user intervention. Multiple wash programs and water levels. Their machines often have built-in cycles, delicate, heavy, normal, and adjustable water levels for more control. Durable tubs and build elements. Higher-end models use stainless steel tubs, which resist corrosion and odor better than plastic. Good documentation and customer support. You'll find user manuals, FAQs, and online help more reliably than with lesser-known brands. Broad retail presence. Because COSTWAY is a recognized brand in online consumer goods, you'll find them on Amazon, Walmart, and other major platforms, making pricing, returns, and logistics easier. Cons: cost and durability trade-off. While they offer many features, their price point is higher. Some reviews point out that internal parts, valves, hoses, electronics, may not last indefinitely. Treat these as value, mid-tier machines. Capacity constraints. Even COSTWAY's top portables usually peak around 8 to 12 pounds wash load. Fine for small families, but not ideal for bedding or heavy-duty use. Noise and vibration. With higher spin speeds, these machines can get loud, especially in lightweight chassis setups. Repair complexity. Fully automatic features, sensors, electronics, make repairs more complex and potentially more expensive than simple twin tubs. Why it wins? COSTWAY's combination of full automation, strong specs, broad support, and brand visibility gives buyers greater confidence. You're not just buying hardware, you're buying a better ecosystem: manuals, support, parts, and easier returns. For most people wanting a portable washer that just works, COSTWAY is your best bet. Final thoughts and recommendation. Here's a quick comparative summary. Orozcor is only suitable if you're buying locally and can verify support. It lacks global presence and warranty consistency. Giantex 17.6 pounds is strong in the middle. More capacity than minis, easier servicing, and good parts availability. It's a safe secondary pick. COSTWAY claims the top spot for a reason. It provides advanced features, better support, and a realistic balance of automation and usability for everyday users. If you tell me your budget, how many people are in your household, and how large your laundry loads tend to be, I can recommend exactly which COSTWAY model, or even a better alternative, you should pick. Want me to narrow it down for you?